In today's video, I am going to teach you how to trigger make.com from Google Sheets. Start by going to Make and opening your dashboard. From here, you will click through the highlighted options to begin creating a new scenario. Think of a scenario as the workflow that will run automatically when something changes in your Google Sheet. Once you are in the scenario builder, select Google Sheets as your app. Then choose the trigger called Watch New Rows. This trigger listens for new rows being added to a sheet and then starts your automation the moment it detects one. Next, set up your Google Sheets connection. Click Create a Connection, then choose Sign in with Google. Pick the Google account you want to use and follow the permission prompts so Make can access your Google Drive and spreadsheets. During this part, you may see a couple of confirmation screens. Just continue through the highlighted buttons until the connection is completed and you are returned to Make. A helpful tip is to make sure you sign into the same Google account that owns the spreadsheet, or at least has edit access, so the file shows up without issues. Now you will choose the spreadsheet Make should watch. Click where it says to choose a file, then select your spreadsheet from the list. After that, select the specific worksheet tab, such as Sheet 1. This is important because Make watches one sheet tab at a time, not the entire file by default. When the correct file and sheet are selected, click Save. You will then set the trigger settings to watch for all new rows. Choose the option labeled All, and then click Save again to lock in that setting. With Make ready to listen, switch over to Google Sheets. Open the same spreadsheet you selected in Make. Click into the sheet and type into the highlighted cell to add a new row of data, or enter new information in the next available row. The key is that a brand new row needs to be created so the trigger has something new to detect. Finally, go back to Make and click Run once. This puts the scenario into a listening mode so it can immediately catch the new row you just added. If everything is set correctly, Make will pick up that new row as the trigger event. That covers everything you need to know.